All beef producers should consider implanting their calves. Implanting is a practice that can add an additional 15 to 25 pounds of weight to the calf in approximately 100 days. For an investment of approximately $1, this is an excellent return for a management practice that can be performed in the beef cattle herd. We recommend that all steer calves be implanted and those heifer calves that are not going to be kept as replacements. If you happen to have some heifers that you're not sure whether they'll be kept as a replacement or not, we suggest that you simply wait until a decision is made. If they're going to be kept as a replacement, then you would not implant. If you decide they're going to be sold as feeders, implanting then would be something that you would want to give consideration. Some of the implants do allow implanting of heifers that be kept as replacements if it's done prior to 2 months of age. But there's no real advantage in doing this, so we just say feeder heifers and steers are the animals that do need to be implanted. For implanting to be beneficial, we strongly recommend that it be done according to certain techniques. So what we're going to do now is take a quick look at a demonstration of the implanting technique. One of the management practices that we do many times with our beef animals is implanting, which will increase the rate of growth. To get the maximum benefit out of this practice does need to be performed properly. With the calf that we have here today, we're going to demonstrate how the implanting is done. You can use nose tongs or a halter, preferably a halter, to help restrain the animal, particularly if one's going to be bouncing around. Where we want the implant to go is in the center 1/3 of the ear, irregardless of what brand implant that is being used. One of the real important things from a beef quality assurance standpoint is that we don't want any infection, so what we like to do is be sure that that ear is clean. If we can take a cloth of some kind with a disinfectant to wipe that off, that always helps out tremendously. We're going to insert the implant starting at approximately this point, so that we will be inserting the needle the full length of the needle, back up slightly, squeeze the trigger, and then ease on back so that the implant will be resting in this position. As you can tell, implanting is not a difficult practice for a producer to carry out. We strongly recommend that this be a part of the overall beef cattle management program. It will add additional dollars to the bottom line. If you'd like additional information on implanting or other information regarding beef cattle, contact your local extension agent.